Push it and then give.
Let's see your passport. You got a post?
I think. What's going on, my guy? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Jamaica Wildlife. You don't know. Trying to see the movements and you know what's going on. The dumb people. Yeah, man, right now is a fishing day today, so we are go out, try to get some tilapia with a bad pan sea. So just I try to put together some things. Hope you guys like this video. Yeah, but anyways, get right into it right now. I jump, go pick up my uncle. Drive, go pick up my uncle and go back to one known spot where we always go. Wakefield over a big pond that is located in Wakefield, Trelawney, I guess. Well, yeah, and I'll be fishing with my uncle today, right? So stay tuned. Hope you guys like this video, like I said earlier. Now I get a chance to see what we catch. Possibly if we catch a lot of fish or big ones, we will do a catch and cook. So stay tuned, alright? Yeah, man. Huh? Alright guys, so see my uncle here. Just pick him up. Don't know. Take on the road and all, so stay tuned, alright? Yeah, man. Yeah. Yes, cuz I pray. Yeah guys, reach I spot now. Don't know, we are unload the boat. Get in our water, as you know, me and my uncle. I'm around to start take off the boat off of the car. We're going to load off you now, get in our water, try to see how well the fish them a bite. See if we can catch some fish, of course. Hope we can make a video. I don't know if it's a lot of fish and if it's big ones, we're going to do a catch and cook. And actually see how well that goes. But before I do that, I just want to make a big shout out to all my subscribers, all the new subs, everyone who has been supporting my channel, guys. Thank you so much for keeping my channel up and alive. Thank you for the growth over the years, in days and weeks. But one special shout out to a subscriber from Montego Bay. Didn't get to ask your name, but he helped me out big time yesterday with my car when I was in Montego Bay and I got stuck with some current problems. He's a current technician. Really awesome guy. Thank you so much for watching my channel and thank you for helping me, because I've entertained you guys. But nevertheless, I could jump into it and see what's going on, alright? It's a rough, you're strong, you know, man. No, bamboo take long for sitting there while the water back clear. Well, listen in front of you, too. Ready? Alright. Call him, me long one. Let me long one.
Yes, dear.
Big and fat. Can't keep. Yeah, guys. So far so good. Bite them a run. And these ones are actually different. These ones are called bass. Fresh, I think we call them largemouth bass. Yeah, man. This one is not really a bad size. And surprisingly, I just right in a small spot. I show them in my other ring come that long time. Unfortunately, he couldn't come today. Missed that one then. Well, I'm a worm bite up. Guys, I swear it's a good look. We haven't just a small bit of problems. Later on down in the video, I'll show you guys what the problem is. Look. See me getting the next bite. If me have my big camera, yeah, get a bite in, uncle. Alright. On a small. Yes. Get me? You me and I'm out. Watch, see me get a picture. Go on with it. Go on with it, man.
Yeah, man. That's why sometimes I take up something to some man, they say, oh, me know. I say, yeah, man. Me have the man, so no play with him.
They get one piece of bait. Yeah, guys, so see we have a bait pan. Our worms inside of it. My uncle and master when it comes to keeping worm alive. He have them there for long in this and he keep them alive. I don't know how he do it. Days. Can't believe he run with this one, you know. When I tap him.
What? Watch it. You know, take up it.
I record, you know. Record or and you decide if you take your line and run. Changing spot right now, guys. Come a bit more out in the middle. Just to see what can happen, hopefully. Run sound enough for the buckles, man. Look. I get a bite on it. You're ready now. Hey. Yeah, uncle. Yes, so deep for sure. Yes, so deeper than the normal part over this one.
Yeah, we there.
Yeah, guys. This one a set line. Me left the line a set, guys, right? When the buckle, when the boat and your ball out, the camera never on. Trust me to God. See his size? Man, the size is nice. When you run out, me catch him. Up me bag there. Be fat, you know? Yeah, man. Come up, big.
Can't catch a bass already all 2 pounds.
Yeah, man. Watch out.
Yeah, man. Lick it.
Hey!
Yeah, man. Big one, them not sinking, you know?
Have them out there.
Yeah.
They get trouble. But I'm promising, say, I'm not trouble mash him up in a butter lie, me tell. Gone in a plate. Then love it.
Take him off.
Yeah, man. Let me back there. Yeah, man. I'm on 2 pound a fish, man. Actually, you know? No one joke about it. Watch it. Guys, we actually caught a big one just now. My uncle caught a big one just now. but because it's getting so late, like because we arrived too late this evening, right? And it's actually getting late right now. Mosquitoes are out and stuff. Wasn't recording, but he caught like a nice one just now. Push it on 9 gil. Let me bag me up me bag. Yeah. Guys, hey, Jesus Christ. Hold on.
Lucy, yo, I don't want him to. Come now. Up me bag.
Yo. Put in for you one. Yo, uncle. Push your finger in there. Hug him up. Do not make him get it. Hey, yo, me heart a beat. Me can't believe that the fish just pick up on the line.
I did like the boss.
Yo, me say, yo. Yeah. Jesus Christ, the tree line him go off at the same time, you know? Boy, I'm not bad already. If he say about 7 o'clock now already. You put your hand in the gillet?
Yeah.
Guys, just look on the size of that fish here. Yeah. Look on the size of this fish I just catch.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys. I swear, unexpected catch. This is tilapia steam after the steaming. Catch a couple small ones same way. You know? But they're fat. Nice little size one, you know. No, I ain't oat meat yet, uncle. You want to get? Sure. Alright guys, so I'm there home right now and throw out the fish them in my sink. If you bag them up and everything, and look what my sister do. Put them back in the water and the fish them still assume, and this is after 2 hours out of water. Like, just imagine how strong them freshwater fish is. That's why people crave them so much. Alright guys, see you guys in the morning likewise when we're cooking some of the fish up, alright? Yeah man, stay tuned. Yeah guys, what's going on? Welcome back this morning again. I know it's cooking time. I cook up the fish then, but I'm going to do that one different. I'm going to deal with it breakfast. That's a brown stew tilapia with dumpling, banana and yam. Cornmeal dumpling at that. So stay tuned, alright? Alright, got the tilapia them. So you don't know. You see him? I'm going to actually do just share them. The 3 biggest one them. And yeah. Yeah man.
Yeah, run.
Yeah guys, so let's clean up a fish. Now I'm gonna make this part with 2 drown out. I already know I'm just a video me catch that part here. Yeah man, so just stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the kitchen, alright? What you want? Let go fish alone, man. Get that easy. And I biggest one in the try take well. Alright guys, so now clean up the fish them and thing, as you can see. So you already know the season, the ingredients already. Regular mixed season of fish. Maggi fish all purpose, right? Come on. Mix it up with a little of this. Yeah guys, and because I know fish are so big, you know, we're like 2 pounds or something. I have to cut him. Alright guys, so I'm just run some seasoning. Yeah guys, Dara never get to come yesterday because he misbehaved. Dara tell me lie in front of me, so I spite him by not taking him yesterday, and every time we have to beat the kids, you know. Yeah man, so take him from him thing when I want to do the most adventures with me. never happened yesterday. The other never come on the right, the other lucky spot me catch a big fish here. Alright guys, so there you have it. Fish all set and ready. As you can see, I cut what me fish head, but while me that cut what me made, get a cut on my finger, so someone is gonna assist me with the rest of the cooking part of the video. Can't do that with a cut on my hand, right? Stay tuned. Alright guys, and as you know, piece of garlic always in your oil. Make sure it's scorching hot. Scotch bonnet pepper, guys. Tilapia. Look at that, guys. Stay tuned. Yeah guys, the good old flour. I mean that I want 2 pounds. Now I got add a little cornmeal to it. I don't know. Salt. This part is actually, this is one of the most trickiest part in kneading flour, the Jamaican way. Yeah? Stay tuned. The outcome, so it look like a dough, right? Yeah man. Real Jamaican yellow yam. Alright guys, so instantly put in your yellow yam in a pot because it takes a bit longer to cook than the rest of the food that you will put in, right? And you know, as you know, we have the fish, the flour, and the bananas, alright? Yeah man. Alright guys, so making a dumpling, yeah, it's a special skill to make it like this. It's not as easy. Most people just roll it up in a ball and then just press it out. Unlike me, you know. But yeah man, cornmeal dumpling, tilapia, nice. Yeah guys, in process, you know. Yeah man, but you know, bananas, we put in the bananas last because it depends on if your bananas are soft or hard. But these bananas are actually soft and nice. You see it? Yeah man, look there. Guys, I wish you guys could actually smell this. But here we have our brown stew set up for the fish. Let me explain, give you the rundown. We have scallion, thyme, pepper, a piece of garlic, and our organic seasoning, and the browning water, bit of salt. Alright? We are gonna add our fish now. Yo, it smell. Woo! Yeah guys, right? Look at that. Just stick around, stick and stay please, alright? Guys, just tell me how delicious that looks. Alright, I'll see you guys when we're sharing and feasting, alright? Yes guys, it's actually sharing time right now. Yeah man. 2 bananas. Yeah guys, so right now, see finishing touch of it here. But there I max up Pimon, I max up my one. Thanks always for watching, guys. Hope you stick and stay. If you love the channel, give it a sub. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video around. And if you guys want to see me and Odari do a catch and cook with fish tea, drop that down in the comment section. How it is? It is nice? Yeah, but you should get no care. Tell me like yesterday. I don't get to come. Yeah, guys, but like always, thank you so much for watching. Remember, if you want to see us do a catch and cook with fish tea tilapia, leave that down in the comment section and we'll definitely do that video for you guys, alright? Peace out, God bless, and one love. No, this is sweet. I'm sorry. No.